2-pointer beat by Raisuqe here on debut. That's lovely play from the young 20-year-old. What a try!
Outstanding for the debutant.
Yeah, there he is. He's got those dancing feet, a lovely offload. The Fiji finishing style. That's his second. What a moment for Fiji, and that man in particular was a second. A lot of lead-up work there. Little offload, and he was there to collect the rewards. Back again. Lovely offload to Rastinho. Wow, that's high. Now, evading the tackles, the pop pass, which is lovely. And the young 20-year-old on debut gets his third try in Hong Kong. Josaia Raisuqe. The weight though, the lovely kick and chase on Vincent Hart. Plenty of support here from the Fijians. Unfortunately got lost forward. And so they play on. Now to Raisuqe. Raisuqe just steps up the right and charges through the middle. His fourth try in Hong Kong on debut.
And all that, but still some cool hits should prevail here. That wasn't necessary either to bang on the head in the gesture of it's all okay because it's so heated.
I mean, emotions are really spilling over here. You can see how much it means for these two teams.
13 against Wales, that won the trophy. Well, it's game over if Fiji score from here.
He will stop the game. The siren has gone. Collier now.
Les affaires des Biterrois. On va surveiller maintenant la performance de Mont-de-Marsan. Attention à Raisuqe. Raisuqe, c'est le meilleur marqueur de l'équipe et vous comprenez mieux pourquoi avec cette course au poil et cette chevauchée de quasiment 80 mètres de Raisuqe qui va y aller tout seul. Un exploit personnel de Raisuqe qui...
On through now goes Raisuqe and Josaia Raisuqe, Fijian 7th player. Ball to play with again and confidence as well, given on to Donkey and then to Raisuqe. Again, with that confidence, as he is a talented back rower, played many times alongside Campese for the Italian national side. Raisuqe waiting underneath this, takes it down nicely, the young Fijian, and then a typical Fijian offload, and here comes Campese again. And Kamara, a bit of a slip and a stumble, but again manages to offload it well. And Campese coming forward, beautiful play once more. Oh no! Plenty of life in him. Around the suburbs he goes, and then he'll try and find support from Raisuqe. Straightens things up. 3 or 4 blue and white shirts around him. That means there's space elsewhere. Through the middle goes Sylvain Nicolas. Finds support now, and then on to Campese. It was Dumaru who was injured. And then the carry by Hugh Pyle, the Australian second row. Gone, unopposed, unchallenged, into the try, coming in off the wing is Josaia Raisuqe. Try number 3 for Stade Francais. He's slipped through unnoticed. Down the blind side they go. Left wing Alfonso Yagori. Injured Gori today. And picked up illegally. And busy centre, look at the power of it. Carrying the white shirts with him. Just trying a few yards, a few more yards. One nation. Raisuqe is there trying to get on it. So too Dumaru, and Dumaru had it now for Stade Francais, trying to get to ground. Treviso trying to hold him up. Hayward in there, but to ground he goes. And Stade Francais attacking with ball in any case now. Carried up by Gabriela. Again, a quick way towards the try line. Huge numbers out there for Stade. It's a little chip from so talented and skillful, but he has the strength as well, and he has a second try, and he has a fourth. Smiley will dive pass out to Josaia. Stade will take penalty to clear.
Bit of deja vu here. He sort of thinks so, occupying this position in the...
Try the forward lineup.
To Perpignan there, Renaissance, and here comes Cat all the way through, and it's Josaia Raisuqe who's going to score the first try, and all of a sudden the home team break out the way to score his second try this season in the Challenge Cup. And Jeremy Davidson's side finally take the valve off the pressure cooker in a big way.
There goes the Thangi, out of the back of the hand to Raisuqe. He takes so much stopping, this fella. There's the offload, and they get the try.
I can't believe that he was missed by release. Well, there's a penalty advantage here.
Oh, and this may be the opportunity. Powering his way through. And Raisuqe, who came off the bench to replace Martin Lavaux.
Before half-time, Carreras just hoping to stick his head in the spokes of Raisuqe.
It's going through. This is going to be another try, is it? The ball fed back in field. It's collected by Le Garrick. The crowd have seen something. Perhaps an illegal challenge on Nolan Le Garrick. There was Lebrun slipping the ball outside. Nakarau went through the tackle. Raisuqe, he was making the tackle as the kick was made.
Le départ de Duprez avec Serein. Serein qui a pu écarter ce ballon sur Hervé. Hervé qui va aller chercher Dréan sur son aile, mais il est tombé sur Raisuqe qui lui pique le ballon. Oh, le ballon arraché par Raisuqe et qui va aller marquer le premier essai de ce match. On disait que les Castres marquaient rarement en début de rencontre, mais ils nous font mentir. C'est le premier essai.
Derrière, il y a un peu d'espace. Et là, c'est le jeune ailier Dréan qui va se faire arracher le ballon par l'expérimenté Raisuqe.
Wow!